Hello, my loves, and welcome back into my kitchen. I'm Gabrielle Reyes, and this is the Colorful Home Cooking Show. So the recipe I have for you all is something that was inspired by a visit that I had with my sister in Egypt. It was this delicious salad that I ate that was full of cucumbers and tomatoes and all these fresh ingredients, and I had to recreate it and throw in some vegan protein as well. Rainbow Chickpea Salad, Rainbow Chickpea Salad, Rainbow Chickpea Salad, Rainbow Chickpea Salad. So the first thing I'm gonna do is make my dressing, and what I have here is some parsley, some mint, and some dill as well. And I've just taken it off of the stems, and the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go in and make a nice pile of it. I like to gather it all up in one section, that way it's easier to cut. So I'm just gonna gather it just like this, and then go in and give it a nice good chop. And when you're doing this, you can smell all of the delicious, aromatic, fresh scents that come from these herbs. The mint, the dill, the parsley, all of them combined create such a delicious combination. So I'm just gonna finish up my chop, and like I said, I want this nice and fine, because this is gonna be the main ingredient to add all of our flavor into our dressing. All of our herbs and spices are combined and delicious. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is take all of those delicious, ooh, so good. Take all those delicious spices, and I'm gonna put it in my bowl, and this is gonna be the bowl for our dressing. And the next thing I'm gonna add in here is just a splash of lemon juice, and then a splash of olive oil as well. Now, if you want to, you don't have to use olive oil. You can use avocado oil or whatever oil that you choose. I like using olive oil because I feel like it really sticks to all the vegetables in the perfect way. And then the spices I'm going to include into this are some garlic powder, onion powder, nutritional yeast, salt, and pepper. So I'm just gonna add in, and you can of course add in as much salt and pepper as you like. I always tell people salt and pepper to taste. Personally, I love salt and pepper. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna mix in all of my delicious spices. And this is gonna come out so cheesy and herby, and the mint, oh, the mint is so good. And I'm just gonna leave this off to the side and then incorporate all of our other ingredients. Okay. So now I have a big bowl and all of my other ingredients that I'm gonna pop in there. The first thing I have here is some chopped cucumber. This is about half a cucumber, depending on however much you're making. I'm making this for about 2 to 3 different meals. So what I'm gonna do is just add in half of a cucumber. And then a can of chickpeas, some diced red onions, about half of a red onion, and then, of course, the rainbow tomatoes. These are so delicious. They taste the same pretty much as cherry tomatoes, but I just love the color. So of course, since this is a rainbow chickpea salad, I had to throw in some rainbow tomatoes. Okay, now we're gonna pour on our delicious herb-infused dressing, just like that. Now we're gonna mix it all in. And what's so great about this, one, it's really quick to make, obviously, but you can smell all of the fresh herbs the second you start cutting up all of the mint, the parsley, and the dill. You can smell all of the aromas coming into the dish. Okay, time to take a bite. Get a little bit of everything in there. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, I gotta get more. I gotta get more. It's so fresh. I love how the lemon is that nice acidity just right at the back of the flavors. And then the mint and the dill, and then I love adding in, like I said, a little bit extra salt because that really brings forth all of those fresh herbs. This is bomb, you guys. You can see this is a huge bowl, so I may have to eat it all. And you saw how simple and easy it was for me to make this rainbow chickpea salad. And all I have to say, y'all, is it's good. It's real good. So get in the kitchen, get yourself cooking, and make yourself some delicious rainbow chickpea salad. I'm gonna finish this up, you guys get cooking, and thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of the Colorful Home Cooking Show. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.